Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna analyze the market, or I'm gonna analyze the gold market for the next week. That means for next Monday to Friday. And before we start, if you are already joined our Telegram channel, thank you so much. And if you have already not joined yet, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. Telegram channel link in the video description box. There we are sharing each and every update from the market. Okay, and as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we always start our analysis from longer time frame and then we will go back into a lower time frame. We need to identify range from the higher time frame, then we will get back into lower time frame. So let's start from weekly time frame. As per you can see there, for the weekly time frame, market is on a strong bullish from the previous few months. Okay, and if I want to go daily time frame, as you can see there, if I especially want to show you last week market movements, as you can see there, once again last week market hits all-time high for the gold. And if I want to see last 5 days candle, that means last 5 days market movements, as you can see there, there is 4 days bullish movement and 1 day is bearish movement. Okay, and let's get back for zoom out. And if I want to get back into H4 time frame, for H4 time frame, if I want to draw trend line and other thing, let's get back for the trend line. As you can see there, if I want to draw a trend line from here to here, as you can see there, here to here, as you can see there is a broken or support level of trend line, and this trend line supports of 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 time over here. Okay, and if I want to draw a lower trend line, that means which was a support trend line, as you can see there, there was a breakout from the trend line, and again it just hit all-time high, and again it just go down and hit this trend line and giving us a bullish movement. And if I want to find out our entry, or if I want to find out our zone, let me go for H1 time frame. As you can see there, there is clear movement for the market. There is a breakout, again pullback, and again it's just trying to go up. Again there was a news and market goes down and it's just trying to go up. And overall 4 hour and 1 hour market movement is bullish for the long term. Okay, and if you ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can enter the market or what can be next, so if we want to draw another trend line from this level to this level, as you can see there, okay, especially market is on bullish momentum, so in that case we have to buy. That means if you buy from that market, you will get sharper and proper entry for now. And if you want to scalp, especially if you are a scalper, then you can go for sell till that area. Okay, you have to wait till that area, then if I got a sell confirmation, then we can go for sell till this particular area. Okay, and if you want to follow the trend, or you may ask me, Mr. Boom, I just know a trend is trend, so I don't want to enter without trend. And you have to wait till that particular area. When you got buy confirmation in that particular area, then you can go for buy. Okay, so you may ask, Mr. Boom, what is your particular view for now? Okay, so market is always unpredictable, guys, so you have to wait for the proper zone or proper area or proper confirmation. Okay, and from my point of view, if I zoom out a little bit more, we have to select last higher zone and last lower zone. That means that two for the Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci confirmation. So let's get back for that. As you can see there, if I want to draw here to here, okay, that means latest zone high to low, it seems perfect. Our Fibo retracement area is around that area, and we have also a area there. Okay, so let me make a horizontal row for support area. Let me make a horizontal row for the resistance area. Okay, resistance area. Okay, then let's remove the Fibonacci zone or Fibonacci retracement. Okay, as you can see there, for now, if you want to sell, you must have to wait till our upper zone, like that particular area. Okay, when it go there, we can sell from that zone to that zone. And if you especially want to follow the trend, you may wait for this particular area. That means this particular area, 3986 zone, then we can enter a buy entry from here to here. Okay, from here to here. And if you are especially a scalper or a small time frame trader, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what I can do for the next. Okay, let remove all of the drawing for the small time frame trader. So let's select a M13 or M15 time frame for now. Okay, let's go for M15. As per the current situation or current position of the market, as you can see there is a trend line, support trend line. And if I want to show you our latest supply area, as you can see there, we can take a sell entry from this particular area. Okay, and for my point of view, we have to avoid sell zones for now because there is high volatility in the market and market is on buy trend. So we have to catch each and every opportunity of the buy momentum. So as you can see there is also a we have to draw rectangle over here. There is a momentum of buy, that means all-time high over here. If it go back there, you can also sell from there, but sell is little bit risky right now. We will wait till this particular area. And if you especially follow SMC, that means smart money concept, then you have to wait till this particular area to take a buy entry. And for proper entry, you must have to see our Telegram analysis. For Telegram analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. Okay, so that's for now. I hope this analysis will help you a lot. So before I end, I just want to ensure some things. There is a lot of geopolitical issues. Okay, geopolitical issues happening around the world right now. So you have to consider that. To get all-time update or all-time real data, you may visit forexfactory.com and keep your eyes on there. Or if you want to get precise news data, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. There you will get real-time data about what happening around the world. Okay, number 2, there is tariff issue. Okay, China and US. Okay, recently Donald Trump announced that there is 100% tariff on Chinese product. So you have to consider that also. That will impact on gold market also. Okay, and there is where like Hamas and Israel, okay, Ukraine and Russia. So you have to consider those things also. Okay, for that kind of uncertainty, gold market is flying up, and some of their central bank are taking gold as a reserve. Okay, most of the countries are trying to avoid United States dollar because United States dollar is very unstable currency right now. So they are avoiding United States dollar and taking gold as their federal reserve. So in that case, there is high demand for gold. That's why gold is going up, or gold price is going up day by day. You have to consider those things also. For more or for better understanding, you also have to follow our fundamental analysis. I wish you learn a lot from this video. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.